After all this time I feel you again. My heart never left it, stayed with you.
Ngahamba ngedwa isikhathi eside, ngilahlekile phakathi kwezindlela zami.
But deep inside I heard your voice calling me back where I belong.
Ngikhumbula indlela ungibiza ngayo, the way you said my name with love.
No matter how far I tried to go, I carried you in my soul.
Every step I took away still led me back to you. There was something I could not replace, a love so pure and true.
Ngibuya Ngothando, oh, I'm returning with love. Ngibuya lapho ngingowakho, back to where I belong. Ngibuya Ngothando,
Oh,
I was never too far. Every road I walked alone led me back to your heart.
I tried to build another life, but nothing felt the same. Every smile was just a moment that slowly faded into pain. Cause I'm a ukoshwagonke, but your love stayed in me. Everywhere I thought I found peace was leading back to where you'd be.
I hear your name inside my soul, like it never left at all. Ngibuya Ngothando, oh, I'm returning with love. Ngibuya lapho ngingowakho, back to where I belong. Ngibuya Ngothando,
Oh,
I was never too far. Every road I walked alone led me back to your heart. Ngikhona manje, ngibuyile,
I'm here again.
I found my way.
All the nights,
All the tears led me back to you.